Thank you, A&M Fiberglass. Let's take a look at it. Where do we?
Yeah, you said that right there.
Yeah. All right, kiddo. Oh, you want me to do it? All right.
Mom, please do it.
Hold on, maybe we probably had it.
Yeah. It'll make it through. Oh, wow. That is crazy. Do you remember what color it was?
Blue?
Well, did it have a name?
I don't think it did.
You just saw the color and you're like, that's the one I want. Woo!
Right.
That's sharp.
That is really sharp. Wow.
The nose is legally high too.
It's what?
The nose is legally high.
I think you snuck something in here for you guys.
Oh boy.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Those are gonna have to go on.
yeah.
Thank you, A&M, again for the fiberglass body through the partnership with Choice Automotive. This is just, yeah, this is gonna look beautiful. It's gonna go fast and look good doing it. And what else we got here? We got our side panels. Unpack those. They are gorgeous. Okay, so they're cutting in a. And I love how she's so excited because I have the knife and she got through her end faster than me.
That's a pretty amazing color. I like that.
Yeah. Get out with the sun hitting it. Wow, it is. All right. Well, let's kind of lay it down. I'm guessing. Yeah, thank you. And thank you again to Choice Automotive for helping us get this through A&M.
Absolutely.
It is just, yeah, it is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Do the other one?
It's so light.
Huh?
Oh my god.
Well, the other thing is the. Say what? Well, no, it's, yeah, it's got a lid on it. This actually is.
take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.